Well, it happened again. We're in the rain. Hi, Abby.
Oh my gosh. Hello.
I said hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Well,
Hello.
even though it's in the rain, somehow we're still cooking out here.
Wouldn't you like your heavy jacket in this situation?
I'm gonna go out there now with my camera and probably won't survive. I'm gonna risk it. Ready? I'm gonna go in 3,
No, wait for me. On.
2.
Wait.
Oh
I'm
gosh.
recording.
This is a really sticky situation. It's so heavy rain. It's raining so heavily right now. You just can't believe it. Oh gosh, we got an umbrella over the stove, an umbrella over the. Oh what? What is that? Oh my gosh, hail!
Hail? No.
Are you kidding me? Is that hail?
Wait, what the? Oh my gosh, it's hail! Oh crash!
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god!
Hail? Oh my gosh, you're kidding. Well, no, I'm definitely not going out there.
Oh, we have to save the fan.
Well, should I bring the camera? Should I bring the camera? Do you think I should bring the camera, Abby?
Sure, if you want to.
Sure.
Holy, there's hail coming.
There's hail out here.
Hail.
Oh my gosh, look at the floor, it's full of hail. Oh, this is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, is this leaking? Is this leaking? Oh no, wait, that's me. Okay. Well.
Okay, let's go ahead and help them.
Okay. Oh, it's hailing now.
Yeah, I see it.
It's hailing now.
Well, it did rain. 20% came through.
Hey, to turn around.
Show them we were cooking. I think nobody's cooking here except us.
Oh gosh.
I'm a cook in this area.
No one.
Yeah, Austin would, right?
Almost no one's out here at all. Gosh.
Oh, hold this quickly.
Okay.
It went out.
Oh my gosh, our fire went out.
Where's the max?
Holy crap. Oh no.
Oh, the wind blew it out.
The wind blew it out.
Oh, this is where I need this.
Oh my gosh. Austin, get under an umbrella. It's hailing.
Help me!
Okay.